Teachable is a user-friendly platform that enables you to create and sell online courses. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Sign up. Visit Teachable and create an account. You can start with a free trial to explore its features. Set up your school. After logging in, you'll be prompted to name your online school and provide a brief description. This serves as the foundation for your courses. Create a course. Navigate to the Courses tab and click New Course. Enter a course title and subtitle that clearly convey the content's value. Design the curriculum. Within your course, add sections to organize content into modules. Under each section, add lectures where you can upload videos, PDFs, quizzes, and other materials. Customize the course page. Use Teachable's editor to design your course landing page. Include compelling descriptions, images, and promotional videos to attract potential students. Set pricing. Determine your course's price by navigating to the Pricing tab. Options include one-time payments, subscriptions, or free access. Configure payment gateways. Connect payment processors like Stripe or PayPal to receive payments from students. Publish and promote. Once everything is set, publish your course. Promote it through social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your target audience.